We've been mocked by Italy, repeatedly provoked by Pakistan, also snubbed by Maldives, and our stand on Sri Lanka is still not clear. The UPA government's foreign policy has come under very sharp criticism in the parliament, with several leaders asking the government to reconsider its stand on international issues.
The government of India will now seriously have to consider how to deal with Pakistan in this situation. The Honorable Prime Minister has in the past been very magnanimous to say that he is willing to walk an extra mile. After a series of these provocations, we would like to urge him that forget a mile, he should now forget walking even an extra yard. Pakistan doesn't deserve this. And as long as this resolution remains, the question of a continued dialogue with Pakistan, which is approving, showing sympathy for terrorist attacks in India, I think we should seriously forget discussing any serious issue with them through a structured dialogue. And therefore, Pakistan will now have to walk an extra 2 miles rather than our Prime Minister wanting to walk an extra mile if we are wanting to normalize relations. With these kind of resolutions, normalizations of relations itself will not be possible. So this comes in the backdrop of a serious situation which our country is facing. Whether it is Male or it's Rome or it's Islamabad, I think we seriously need to discuss our foreign policy and where it is leading us, because if India can be kicked around in this manner internationally, then there is something seriously wrong on in the manner in which we are managing our external affairs. So I would urge you to kindly fix a date so that the Honorable Prime Minister and the External Affairs Minister are here, they make a statement, and this House gets to discuss this issue at length.
मुझे नहीं लगता कि इस पूरे हाउस में किसी को भी इस पे कोई एतराज है। सबको जो है इनके सब इस बात से सहमत हैं कि इस तरह की बात पाकिस्तान नेशनल असेंबली में नहीं होनी चाहिए। हम इस बात की पूरी तरह साथ हैं। हम कड़े शब्दों में निंदा करते हैं जो पाकिस्तान नेशनल असेंबली